Right. Hola, amigos. In this video, we're going to briefly take a look at our nitrogen test, which is one of our chemical methods for identifying specific fibers. So the nitrogen test specifically looks for a specific bond that's going to have nitrogen present. There are 3 fibers that will react or give us a positive result: silk, wool, and nylon. And again, only these fibers give us a positive result. So you'll notice I have some nylon and wool in test tubes. Wool is the yarn. Hard to see the nylon netting in the other test tube. And what we do is put a little bit of calcium hydroxide, just a splash, in our test tube. Cover the sample with it. There we go. And then we're going to heat these. And as they're being heated, the heat breaks that specific nitrogen bond, and it releases ammonia, NH3. Again, we want to make sure it gets nice and heated. Might adjust my camera here a little bit so we can see it a little bit more clearly. Okay, there we go. And we're heating it. Oh, it's definitely breaking down. And then what we do to see if it's positive is we take a piece of litmus paper, we hold it over the tube. Oh, and look at that blue color. It's turning blue because it produced ammonia. That gives us a positive result. You can see that same thing with nylon really quickly here. So I have my nylon, I have my calcium hydroxide. I'm going to heat it. Doom, doom, doom. Heat it, heat it, heat it. It's definitely heating the test tube pretty well. Yeah, calcium hydroxide is definitely heating up. And again, let's look to see if we have a positive result. So I take my litmus paper, hold it over the test tube, and it should, hopefully, let's try that again. Let's heat it a little more vigorously. And yeah, my litmus paper should turn blue. There you go. Let's try now. Oh, yep, it might be hard to see on camera. Blue litmus paper tells us that that specific nitrogen bond was present. And remember, that bond is unique with wool, silk, and nylon. No other fiber types would test positive. The litmus paper would stay red.